I'm looking to take a possible little scalp here on futures. Market is closed today, or it closes at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to watch for this 5 minute candle to form. It's not really liquid right now, so it's kind of moving kind of slow. But I'll see if I can get a couple point move up here and do a little scalp. So I'm going to watch what happens here right around this 56.75 level. And I'll use a tight stop just in case it goes the other direction. But I'm going to watch here at this 1040 level, and the next 5 minute candle is about to form, so we'll see if it continues up.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a little bit of a long entry, just buying one contract, and we'll see what happens if it goes up here to high a day around that 55 59 level, and then 60. So what I'll do is I'll put my stop down here right around this 55 level, just in case I put my order in the system. Just, you never know what's going to happen with the platform. So I put stop in the system down here. I'll adjust it potentially if it goes against me. I like to keep tight stops, but we like to see this here if price is going to keep going and making new highs like this. So we like to see this. And I want to see this 500 tick keep going up, and we'll watch again that 59 to 60 level and see what happens here. So watching this high day here, 59 to 60, little scalp, see it's getting above the 60. So now I'm going to watch. Once it shows weakness, I'll consider getting out, but just want to see what happens up here if it keeps making new highs, watching that 60 level. And we'll watch and see what happens here. I'm already up a decent amount, so we'll see if we show weakness. I'll consider, like I said, taking my profits and getting out. Just want to take a little quick scalp and see what happens here. See how this one forms. If we can break that 62.25 level. If it shows weakness and reversal here, like I said, I'll just take profits and get out.
Order filled.
All right, so I took profit and got out just because it showed some weakness over here. So just a little quick scalp. It's retesting this area, this 59 level. So I just sold because it wasn't breaking the new high. So again, just a little bit of a scalp, 121 bucks. So a couple points. Again, real slow day today. I don't want to be risky on the trade. So I just thought I'd take, a little trade to show you guys where, sometimes you could take these little scalps. Don't get too greedy. I want to show you when the market's not very liquid. Again, you can still trade, but trade very cautiously. Make sure the pattern's set up. And if you look to scalp those couple point moves, you can do that. So hopefully this video helped you. Like I said, it's as you see it kind of moving back right down here now. A lot of times it'll just retest, it'll go up. You'll see the movement's not that strong. This is a 500 tick chart, and it kind of grinds a little bit. So I took this little green candle breakout over here and then sold near, as you can see right up here, there's that 65 to 67 level of resistance. And I have it marked out on another chart over here in Thinkorswim. You'll see the other reason why I sold there was because you'll see opening range breakout high was that 60-ish level, right? So it went up, went into this previous zone, rejected, and is coming back down. So now again, if I'm looking to see if there's another potential entry at some point, I'd like to see it close up in this zone and see if it can break above that 62 level.